If you've been struggling to get interesting vocal hooks like this,
baby, what you get your body from?
And then learning how to manipulate them like this,
Baby, what you get your body from?
then stick around because in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to find vocal hooks, how to manipulate them with easy stock Ableton effects, and fit them within your groove. So stay tuned and the loop will sound a bit like this.
Baby, what you get your body from? Tell me what you get your body from. Baby, what you get your body from? Tell me what you get your body from.
So we're inside Ableton now, and the first thing you need to do is go off and find a good vocal. Now, many people struggle with this because they don't think outside the box, and there is other videos on this channel or inside Serotonin Studio on specifically where to find vocals. Now, you can stick to the basics, YouTube, Beatport, Splice, so on and so forth, but the biggest tip I can give to you guys is spending a session just dedicated to finding vocals. So what you'll end up with is a folder like this, vocals acapella. And I did this last week. I just went through all the ideas I had within my note-taking system, went through YouTube, found the acapellas, downloaded them all, put them in a folder, and there we go. And if you're interested in getting this whole folder as well, you can join our Discord community, and I give away stuff like this for free all the time. So that's step number one, is making sure you just have a bunch of vocals to choose from, because when you're just working in the loop, you can then go straight to there, find the vocal, bada bing, bada boom. So the next thing you need to think about is finding vocal hooks. Now, for me, a vocal hook has to be short, snappy, and catchy, especially to work within the minimal deep tech genre. You can find vocal hooks in pretty much every single acapella. Most pop songs will have a hook themselves, so you could take that one, or you could craft your own hook by finding different areas of that acapella, pairing them together, and making something yourself. For this example, though, I found this will.i.am vocal, and the standard hook was perfect for exactly what I wanted. It sounds a bit like this.
Baby, what you get your body from? Tell me what you get your body from. Baby, what you get your body from? Tell me what you get your body from.
And thankfully it fits in time with our track.
Baby, what you get your body from? Tell me what you get your body from. Baby, what you get your body from? Tell me what you get your body from.
Now, if you are working with a vocal that is a bit out of time, then don't panic. There's some easy things for you to do. First off, you just want to reset for warp markers. Ableton does its best job at trying to warp the vocal straight out the box, but I find resetting the vocal markers just really helps. From there, you want to then pull transients into place where they naturally fall in time. So what do I mean by this? We can start to see some of these transients where they're falling is slightly out of time. So this one technically should be on there. This one's about right. That one could be brought over slightly. Same with this one and same with that one. So with an out of time vocal, let's say it was somewhere over here, you would then just adjust and bring the obvious ones back in time and go, okay, that needs to sit there and that needs to sit there. And this is the number one thing that has saved me so much time when warping vocals myself. But ultimately, just try and pick a vocal that's already in time. It's going to make your life so much easier. So now we've got a vocal and you have your vocal hook sorted, we can go about affecting it. Now for me, I like to create different variations in the loop stage and then think of ideas on the fly within the arrangement. I just feel that's a much more natural way to work, but it is always nice to have some stuff to work with. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to duplicate our hook so it plays over the 8 bars. So there's some really nice little things going on with this beat repeat. You can hear it stuttering in the background if I just solo it.
Baby, what you get your body from? Tell me what you get your body from. Baby, what you get your body from? Tell me what you get your body from.
So what I'm going to do is I've already set up an audio channel and I'm going to set a resampling, record enable, and then bounce this down to audio. And I'm going to pop this to one side for the moment. Go in here, adjust some settings. So I'm going to take this to a 32 grid so we get some quicker stutters.
Your body from, baby, what you get your body from? Tell me what you get your body from. Baby, what you get your body from? Tell me what you get your body from. Baby, what you get your.
And I just keep on doing this with different effects. See what I can come up with. So beat repeat was a pretty cool one. Maybe we try some sound toys next.
Tell me what you get your body from. Baby, what you get your body from? Tell me what you get your body from. Baby, what you get your body from? Tell me what you.
I like that slap back effect, so I'm just going to bounce this down to audio, see what else we can find in Sound Toys.
Body from, baby, what you get your body from? Tell me what you get your body from. Baby, what you get your body from? Tell me what you get your body from. Baby, what you get your body from?
I really like that as just an effect, so I feel like that's something I won't necessarily turn on and off, but actually automate in a breakdown. So I'm just going to group that so I just know what's going on with this.
Baby, what you get your body from? Tell me what you get your body from. Baby, what you get your body from? Tell me what you get your body from. Baby, what you get your body from? Tell me what you get your body from.
Really like that one, so I'm going to bounce
Baby,
that.
what you get your body from?
And for good measure, let's get one more effect, see what we can come up with. So I'm going to go into my audio effects. I'm going to go audio effect track, and I'm just going to try some in here. This is a really underutilized feature within Ableton, is there pre-made effect tracks. There's some really amazing effects in here, which I never see anyone talk about or use.
Body from? Tell me what you get your body from. Baby, what you get your body from? What you get your body from? Baby, what you get your body from? Tell me what you get your body from. Baby, what you get your body from? Tell me what you get your body from. Baby, body from. Your body from, baby, what you get your body from? Tell me what you get your body from, baby, what you.
So now we've got multiple effects for our hook, which is really going to help evolve a track and make the hook not feel boring or repetitive. But let's see if there's any other sections within the acapella we can find to use as ad-libs or variations, or maybe we can make some more rhythmic vocal chops from them as well.
I got it from my mama. I got it from my mama. I got it from my mama. I got it.
Baby, what you.
So I like that part and the end part over here. So I'm going to do two things for this female one. I'm going to insert a MIDI so that I can try and maybe make some more percussive chops from it. So I'm just going to drag that onto a MIDI channel, turn on the slice, and we'll come back to it. And then I like the part before it goes back into the male vocal.
Got it. I got it.
Bit difficult because obviously the vocals slightly overlap there, but nevertheless, we use that as an ad-lib. And let's just call that ad-libs. Definitely spelt that wrong, but who cares? It's my project.
From my mama. I got it.
Honey looking good from her head to her toe. Beauty overload.
So now we've got a whole nother section here of Will I Am playing. So I'm going to drag this down.
So be a good girl and thank your mama. She made you steaming like a sauna. Look out, here she come now. Look out, here she go. Mommy looking good from her head to her feet. She 44, but she's.
I'm not too sure on this end bit, but I like everything else. So this is where now we can start maybe chopping and changing parts of the acapella to suit our needs.
Wondering just where you got that from.
Let's see if we can merge it in.
Even at a peak, cause her mama looking so hot, packing that. Baby, cause you blessed with mama. She mess with the beautiful buns. Baby, cause your beauty keep the dudes on sprung. Mama, she mess with the beautiful buns. Baby, cause your beauty keep the dudes on sprung. Wondering just where you got that from. Fro, mommy looking good.
There you go. See what I mean? You can now start making your own kind of vocal sections from that. Right, let's go back to finding some more ad-libs.
Ladies.
All of that's really good. So let's check that on the ad-lib channel.
Ladies.
We've got something like that ladies part there. So let's just take this up here. Cool. So we've got 3 individual bits for ad-libs. Okay. So now we've got hook, affected versions of the hook, ad-libs, and effectively a chorus as well. So I'm going to see if I can make some more of those rhythmic chops, which we put down onto a MIDI slice down here. Nice. So you kind of got the gist of what I was doing there. I just had it on MIDI slice. I was playing stuff in on my Ableton Push down there. And as mentioned, I'm now going to start playing around with the sort of 16-bar loop that we've got here with some of the different effects, some of the different ad-libs. So as you would have seen from some of the clips, I was just mucking around with the vocals and doing everything I said I was going to do in the beginning half of this video. So chopping out some of the glitch layers, as you can see here, so they just stutter underneath the main vocal. And going back to what I originally said, now it feels like they're pulling away from the vocal instead of being part of it.
Baby, what you get your body from? Tell me what you get your body from. Baby, what you get your body.
And when you do some cool stereo imaging techniques as well, you can push them to the left, to the right. You could bump in volume so they kind of bump forward in the mix and sort of really stand out. We have a slapback version,
Baby, where'd you get your body from? Tell me what you get your body from.
which is really nice in sort of the breakdowns. We have the layer that I said we could use as a pad. I put it fairly quiet at the moment, but this could be modulated and moved up. I've already managed to squeeze in a few of the ad-libs like this one.
Here we go.
I haven't bothered to look at the main verse yet. I think that's something we will figure out for the arrangement. And then you can see with some of the cool chops I've done down here, I made this cool effect. And it goes back into that one. So now as a whole, our idea is sounding a bit like this. So really strong loop there with so many ideas that we can now flesh out into a full track. So that's going to put us in an amazing position to pick up in the next video where we start looking at the arrangement. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed that video on how to find vocal hooks, then how to create vocal hooks and effect them. If you found this video useful, then please subscribe, as this is part of an ongoing series where I build this exact track from beginning to end. So I'll catch you in the next video very soon.